All right, so we are starting off with 1 bag of marshmallows and half a stick of butter, and we are gonna let this melt until it is liquidy. Turn down this heat so none of it burns, but this is gonna be a super easy and delicious treat. All right, once our marshmallows and butter are completely melted, we'll turn off the heat. And then it's time to add our special ingredient. And that is some banana cream pudding mix. This is just gonna add the best flavor to our dessert. You can use any pudding mix you like, but I love the banana cream. And with that heat off, we are gonna go ahead and mix that pudding mixture right into that melted marshmallow and butter. Oh my goodness, that pudding smells so delicious. And this is just gonna be so tasty. Okay, make sure you really get this mixed in because you want to make sure that the banana cream flavor is throughout the entire dessert. This is one of my favorite desserts. I love making this when I need a quick treat for guests because it's so easy and so delicious. All right, that is fully combined. Now it is time for the best part. We have some Rice Krispies cereal, and we're gonna go ahead and put it into our mixture to make banana cream Rice Krispies. We're gonna use half of our large size box. Come back in, and it is time to mix everything together. This is such a fun way to mix up your Rice Krispies. I mean, you don't want just boring, regular Rice Krispies. Adding a nice little flavor with that pudding is just so good. All right, let's make sure that we get that well mixed together. All right, you guys, so I have a greased 13 by 9. And we're gonna go ahead and transfer our Rice Krispies right into there. You guys, this smells like banana cream heaven. Oh my goodness, I can only imagine how it would smell if you use like a cheesecake pudding or a vanilla pudding. You could even use chocolate or a lemon pudding during the summer. But today, the banana cream is the winner. All right, that's good enough. Grab your butter package and get all of that goodness off of your spatula, just like so. I like to use the butter package because that way you have a greased way to flatten out your Rice Krispies. All right, that looks perfect. Okay, we are gonna let these set in the fridge for 1 hour. All right, it's been 1 hour in the fridge. These should be ready to cut. Let's go ahead and get a slice. Oh yeah, these are solid. Let's make sure we get a nice, good slice to try. Okay. And let's see if we can just pop this out with our hands. Oh yeah, that's the way to do it. Woo! Look at that, it all comes out. I did grease my pan. I don't know if I already mentioned that. Ooh. Oh my goodness, the perfect Rice Krispie treat. And remember, we have that banana cream pudding in there. Let's give it a try. That was better than I remembered. You guys gotta try it.